Written by Mary C. Lasity. Section 1. The problem of repetitive work. Many businesses operate on a foundation of repetitive manual tasks. Workers often spend significant portions of their day performing duties that are both slow and monotonous. Consider the daily routine of an employee in an accounts payable department. They might manually copy invoice data from a PDF document. Then they paste that information into a separate accounting system. This repeats for dozens or hundreds of invoices each day. It's tedious and highly susceptible to human error. A single misplaced decimal point, a mistyped vendor name. This reliance on manual handling creates a major bottleneck for growth and efficiency. Employees become bogged down by low-thinking tasks, moving files from one folder to another by hand, filling out the same digital forms again and again. This is the core problem many organizations face. It leads to lower employee morale. Talented people aren't using their skills for high-value work. Their time is consumed by tasks machines could do. Section 2. The solution. Robotic process automation. There is a powerful and accessible way to fix this pervasive problem. The solution is called robotic process automation, or RPA. This technology automates manual, rules-based digital tasks that consume valuable employee time. RPA utilizes software robots to perform these jobs. These are not physical, mechanical robots you might see in a factory. Instead, they are software programs that operate on a computer. They interact with applications and systems in the exact same way a human user would. They are digital workers for the digital world. Software robots follow a specific set of instructions to complete a process. They can be taught to click buttons, type text into fields, read information from the screen, open applications, and log into systems. They can navigate through windows and move files and folders. A robot can copy from a spreadsheet and paste into a web form. Any structured, repetitive task a person performs on a computer can be delegated to an RPA robot. The software takes over mundane parts with precision and consistency every run. The primary value of implementing RPA is the immediate and significant time it saves. Understanding how robotic process automation works does not require a deep technical background. The process begins with a clear and detailed mapping of the task that needs to be automated. An analyst, often with the employee, documents every single step involved. Which application to open first, where to click on the screen, what text to copy, and where to paste it. Every decision point, such as if the invoice amount is over 1,000, send an email for approval, is also documented. This detailed map becomes the blueprint for the robot's behavior. Once the process is mapped, a developer uses an RPA tool to build the automation. These tools provide a user-friendly visual designer to teach the robot the steps. Many leading platforms use drag-and-drop activities like open application, click, and type into. They configure which button to click or what text to type. The robot learns to use the UI just as a person would. Robots work across legacy systems, web applications, Microsoft Excel, and SAP without complex integrations. They can read a customer name from an email, look up their record in a CRM, and generate a spreadsheet report. After development, the robot is tested to handle expected variations. Once reliable, it's deployed, scheduled, or triggered by events, reporting progress and flagging exceptions. The market for robotic process automation is populated by several powerful tools. Each tool brings its own distinct strengths. UiPath is popular and user-friendly, with an intuitive visual designer and a massive community, plus a free community edition. Automation. Anywhere offers cloud-native and on-prem options, a rich command library, strong security, and a free community edition. Blue Prism pioneered RPA with an IT-centric, centralized, auditable workforce, premium, enterprise-focused, typically without a free version. Microsoft Power Automate integrates deeply with Office 365, SharePoint, and Azure, promoting a low-code approach and often a lower-cost path via existing licenses. For code-centric users, Robot Framework is open source and free, offering flexible, keyword-driven automation. Choosing an RPA tool depends on your goals, technical background, and professional context. For most beginners seeking comprehensive learning and clear job paths, UiPath is often the best recommendation with outstanding learning resources. If you live in Microsoft 365, Power Automate is pragmatic, low-code, and frequently already licensed. Ideal for quick, everyday wins. Lesser premium options include Power Automate via existing licenses and open-source robot framework at zero cost. Choose one tool, UiPath or Power Automate, and commit. Do not learn both at once. Sign up for the free version or community edition. Complete a beginner tutorial and a simple Hello World robot to prove it works.